Right, so let's go ahead and create a new project, which will be a React project. One thing about React is that it actually uses some JavaScript configuration in your development environment. So you actually need a Node interpreter. So Node is basically a desktop or server implementation of JavaScript. And so you either need to install one externally, or as you can see here, you can download node.js and it'll get installed for you. There is a script in order to create your React application, and so it's called Create React App, and that's run by npx or npm, which are Node package managers. So, and let's see. So we'll call this test.react3, let's say, just because I already have some existing ones. Okay, and so what's going to happen is it's going ahead and creating this React application, and it's doing a bunch of stuff. So it's going to install. We saw that it was going to download Node, which is the interpreter for JavaScript. It's going to also download a bunch of different packages. Okay, and this is really just the first time. All right, so what it says is I can run Npm Start to run this. So if I run from the command line, that's how I would actually start a small little web server that would run my React application. In my case, let's just look at our source. So I've got a bunch of source code here. We're just looking at the very beginning of this here. So let's look first at the HTML. So the HTML has some stuff and some more stuff, and it basically says that we need to, what it's saying is, we need to enable JavaScript to run this app. So what's going to happen is if we are not running JavaScript, it's going to provide this. And if we are running JavaScript, this will not be part of our DOM. And if we look at our DOM, then all our DOM really has is a body. If we're using JavaScript, this won't even really be here. And then we've got a single div. Okay. What's going on then is we are using JavaScript to actually create the whole contents of the page. So that JavaScript is going to be in index.js. So index.js is going to have some stuff. I am going to, let's just try running this just to see what a initial React application looks like. So we get into this npm here, and you see we have some possibilities here, and what we want to do is do start. So I just double clicked on that, and there we go. Okay, so it is talking to a server that's running on port 3000 on our local host. That's basically what's running over there. So what it says is we got a little spinning logo, and it says edit this code and save to reload.